Hey y'all, today is so good. Okay, just good because I said it was. Nothing major. It's your girl, HeartEricaRenee. Welcome back. Hey guys, so I'm doing the laundry and stuff like that. I got far though, look, I got far. I'm back in the living room, but I actually got a client who's coming an hour early, so I decided to take her an hour early. Hi guys, welcome back. So I was basically saying that this Irish Spring is like so nostalgic. It brings back childhood memories. This is a soap we basically used growing up, and when I seen it, I had to get it. But I'm speeding through this vlog because I'm really trying to change the direction of my channel, and I basically wanted to start getting back to health basically and holistic living. So that's what I wanted to do. So I wanted to basically give you all of my vlogs. I wanted to get the footage out without deleting it basically, but not spending too much time on it. So that's what I'm doing. I made chalupas, y'all. I found the chalupa bread at Publix, and this was like top tier. It was so good. So on this day, I woke up early. I think it's pretty early in here, y'all. I mean like 3 or 4 a.m. I always wake up that early, but I knew I had some things to do before my client. And normally if I have a full day of clients, I normally do try to get up early if I'm not tired, and I try to go ahead and cook, especially if I didn't cook the night before. So this is probably a case that I didn't cook the night before because I fell asleep early. So I just went ahead, woke up, cleaning and cooking. It's basically what you're gonna see, and we are gonna keep it sped up basically. So just enjoy.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same, yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. Look, we could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions.
So it's basically about 8 o'clock a.m., 8:30, and I'm pretty much done my cooking for today. I'm not cooking no more because it's taco meat in there and it's this chicken I just cooked, and it's basically food. So that's what I contributed for today. I'm gonna show y'all how it came out basically. I ran out of sauce for my last set, but this is basically what I have. This is my first set. Lots of sauce, juicy. It's about 10 pieces. This is about 7 or 8 pieces, and it ran out of sauce for my last set. I'm probably gonna go ahead and eat my 7 pieces just because I got a client and it's probably like a 7 or 8 hour client. And cinnamon water for when I'm actually doing hair. And I probably need to boil some more water and put it in my kettle. Not kettle, my little cup that stays warm. I probably should transfer it to that so I could just sip on it. So this is my son. He got about 8 pieces of plain because I don't know if he's gonna want it hot. So I just made both for him. And 1 set of hot wings, that's a 10 piece. So they're pretty crispy right now, but later they're gonna be soggy, so he just gotta eat it like that. I do like mine with the skin on when with flour when I fry my homemade hot wings. Well, I wanted to show y'all, but I'm actually about to just move the tripod to make the Kool-Aid. Then I'm gonna come back and show y'all because I don't really want to take it off, and then I'm gonna end it. 8:53. I love this tripod. I bought 2 of them, one for the kitchen, one for my hair area, but I've been just moving it back and forth. I gotta open the other one, but I finally got it to like actually hold it. It was just too flimsy when I was trying to do it while doing hair. Anywho, taste this. My taste buds kind of off, so I don't know how it tastes. It don't taste like lemonade. It tastes like sweet lemonade, not like sour lemonade. I gotta find somewhere to put this. I used to have it over there in the corner before this living room filled up, but as you can see, I have more stuff to clean and organize. I'll show y'all. I'm gonna put these up for y'all later when the command strips come. Here's the fridge. Stocked up. These would be my lunches every day. My second meal of the day, a pineapple chunk, and basically chicken and leftover tacos. That's today. Nachos, only because I want to finish my chalupas tomorrow. And he's gonna eat nachos. Hot links and dirty rice. And I'm having salad and tuna. I'm having salad and tuna as well. I just didn't write it back when I changed it. And he's having sandwich and chips or whatever's left over. And then on Saturday, shrimp Alfredo for Saturday. Show y'all one more time. And we're out. Peace. The thing I realized about myself is I actually love being a mom. I love being a homemaker. I love basically getting my home together and then conquering the world. But I don't like to do it in a stressful state. And I think that's what it is with women. I want to say black women, but women overall. But black women, because no, let me change that. Single women. Hold on. But I think that's what it is with the mom role, because America says that we have to do it all on our own, and that's where the stress comes from. But when we can do it, not be rushed and not be forced, it feels good. And I love putting love back into my home. So on that note, we're going to end this, and I just want to say, I always said I'm supposed to be a mom. I'm supposed to be a wife. So in the future, I know that that's coming for me, more kids and a spouse. Peace. This year is going to be amazing.